The countries that I would like to travel to are Spain, France, Germany, Italy, England, Greece, and Sweden. As for European countries, I would like to travel because I really like the incredible difference in his cultures, lifestyles, structures, history, but they comfort the same continent. Also, I would like to travel to Egypt, Dubai, China, Australia, and Japan, finishing the oriental part of the world. I choose those countries because their history is very awesome. Finally, my travel ends in the Americas, starting in Canada, United States, Mexico, Panama, Venezuela, Brazil, Peru, Chile, and Argentina. In general, I would like to learn a little of his history and his language in each country. But at the same time, I would like to learn in Spain the history of Santiago Bernabeu and the Camp Nou. In France, England, and Greece, I want to know how the engineers and the architects they inspired to create the Eiffel Tower, the Arc of Triumph, the London Bridge, the Buckingham Palace, the Big Ben, and the Temple of Olympus Zeus. In Germany, I would like to learn how they speak about their history and how they think about Adolf Hitler. In Sweden, I want to know their teaching methods in college and universities because I am surprised by the economy they have. In Italy, I want to know how the Tower of Pisa remains stable. Continuing with my travel in the oriental part of the world, I would like to learn in Egypt the stories about the construction of the pyramids. In Dubai, I would like to learn how the impulse they give to economy and how they use money to invest in their amazing constructions. In China, I would like to know how about their lifestyle and the history of the Great Wall of China and the Forbidden City. In Australia, I want to know how they live and learn about the story of the Sydney Opera House. In Japan, I would like to learn about his cultures, why they are so disciplined, and also about the history of the Hiroshima. Finally, in the Americas, I would like to learn in United States, Panama, and Brazil the construction of the White House, the Panama Channel, and the Cristo Redentor. In Canada, Mexico, Peru, Chile, Venezuela, and Argentina, the stories about of the Cataratas of Niagara, the Mayas and the Aztecs, Machu Picchu, the Santiago City, the Ollantaytambo, and Los Glaciares National Park. I would like to eat and drink cocido madrileño and white wine in Spain, cassoulet and champagne in France, bratwurst and wheat beer in Germany, pizza and limoncello in Italy, the Sunday roast and delian and border in England, gyros and mastica in Greece, Janssens Frostelsen and Explorer vodka in Sweden, macaroni bechamel and kosher tea in Egypt, shawarma and kawa in Dubai, dim sum and tea in China, pavla and panfoils in Australia, ramen and sake in Japan, trumpets and iced wine in Canada, peanut butter and Long Island iced tea in United States, burrito and tequila in Mexico, salpicón de carne and rompoche in Panama, pabellón and guarapita in Venezuela, arabu and caipirinha in Brazil, pachamanca and Inca Cola in Peru, cazuela chilota and mote con huesillos in Chile, and finally asado and vino paterón in Argentina.